Alright, so real quick, let me put you onto something, because this Roblox Rant niche is literally exploding right now. And I'm not kidding when I say people are basically printing views with videos that take barely any time to make. And the crazy part is, these creators aren't doing anything complicated. There is no insane editing, no fancy setup, no face cam, nothing like that. It's literally just simple Roblox gameplay running in the background, while an AI voice rants about something funny or relatable. And boom, millions of views. Like, look at channels such as FaZe with almost 500,000 subscribers and over 400 million views just from these simple rant-style videos. Or Racket Hour pulling over 100 million views doing the exact same format. And trust me, the simplicity is what makes it so powerful. Because anyone, including you, can start making these today using free AI tools. And here's the best part. After I show you the full free method step by step, I'm also going to show you how to make the exact same type of viral Roblox rant video in literally under 3 minutes using just one single tool called Corpy AI. No switching between apps, no complicated workflow, just a few clicks and you're done. So stick around until the end because missing even a small step could be the difference between a video that goes viral and a video that flops. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let's break this down from the beginning and start with how to make viral Roblox rant videos using free AI tools. Step 1 is finding those funny, relatable topics that instantly make people comment, "Bro, this is literally me." And to make this super easy for you, I already did all the research. I analyzed the top performing channels in this niche, and I created a free Google Doc packed with powerful, ready-to-use prompts specifically designed for Roblox rant videos. So you can generate unlimited video ideas and viral scripts anytime you want. Check the link in the description to access it. And real quick, if you're watching up to this point, drop a like and comment, "I'm ready," because it helps push this video to even more people trying to grow their faceless YouTube channels. Okay, now once you open the Google Doc, copy one of the topic prompts and head over to your favorite AI writer. In this tutorial, we're using ChatGPT because it's fast and super easy. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and add one quick instruction. Tell it how many ideas or titles you want. Then hit enter, and in just a second, you'll see a full list of viral Roblox rant topics and clickable titles designed for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels content. And if the first list doesn't hit the vibe you want, just type "more like this" or "make them funnier," and you'll get completely fresh ideas. Now spend a moment scanning through the list and pick the topic that stands out to you the most. Once you've got your topic, we move to the most important part, which is creating your script. So go back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT, and before hitting enter, make a few quick edits to personalize it. First, add how long you want your final video to be, because that helps ChatGPT structure the pacing correctly for Shorts or TikTok. Next, enter the topic number you chose earlier so the AI knows which story or rant it's writing. And once everything looks good, hit enter, and in just seconds, ChatGPT will generate a high-retention, binge-worthy, scroll-stopping Roblox rant script built to grab attention immediately and keep viewers watching until the end. Now, once your script is ready, it's time to turn it into a voiceover. And for that, we're using 11 Labs. Head to their website, sign up, go to Instant Speech, and paste your script into the editor. Quickly delete any extra instructions to keep it clean, then click on Voices and preview the options until you find one that sounds expressive, fun, and fits the rant vibe, because tone matters a lot in short-form content. Once you choose the voice, just hit Generate, and within seconds your entire voiceover will be ready to download straight to your device. Next, we need the gameplay footage, and if you're a gamer, this will be super easy. Just record your own Roblox gameplay. But if you're not into gaming, don't worry, because you can find free Roblox gameplay online and screen record it. Just make sure the footage is high quality so your final video looks professional and keeps viewers engaged. Once you've got your gameplay saved, you officially have everything needed for your visuals. Now we put everything together in CapCut. So, open CapCut, click New Project, import your gameplay, change the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it fits Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Scale the footage to fill the screen, and mute the original gameplay audio. Next, import your 11 Labs voiceover and trim out any long pauses to keep the pacing tight and energetic. After that, add background music, but drop the volume so it doesn't overpower your narration. If you want to spice things up, you can also add video effects. Just click Effects, choose the style you like, and drag it onto the timeline. Then add captions by going to Text, clicking Auto Captions, choosing a template, and hitting Generate. CapCut will automatically sync your captions with the voiceover, adjust their placement on the screen, and once everything is set, watch the entire video from start to finish to make sure it flows smoothly. Then hit export, set it to 4K for maximum quality, and save the finished video to your device.
I'm starting to realize teachers don't actually hate phones. They just hate the idea of us having even 2 seconds of joy. Because the minute your phone barely lights up, not even rings, just does that little, hey, I'm alive glow. Suddenly the teacher becomes a superhero with 20/20 vision like, whose phone is that? And the crazy part, they'll ignore you all class. You raise your hand? Nothing. You ask a question? Silence. But the moment you touch your pocket like you might check the time boom, they're teleporting across the room like, put it away. And it's always during the most boring part of the lesson too. Like, okay, Miss Johnson, I'm sorry.
And that's how you make a viral-ready Roblox Rant video using free tools. But now, let's speed things up even faster, because I'm going to show you how to create the same type of video in under 3 minutes using Corpy AI. So head to Corpy using the link in the description, create an account, and once you're on the homepage, scroll through the trending niches like AI Story, Roblox Rant, Fake Tech Story, and more. Click Roblox Rant, and you'll see the script section with 3 options: random script generator, preset topic categories, and a custom script box where you paste your own script. But for this tutorial, we're going with the random script generator. So click Generate Script, and within a moment or two, Corpy will create a fully original rant script for you. Once it appears, click Next to go to the background section, where you'll find tons of gameplay videos like Roblox, Minecraft, GTA, and more. Scroll until you find a Roblox clip that fits your script, or use the green screen option if you'd rather add your own footage later. Select your background and click Next to move on to audio. Here you can add background music, but listen carefully if you plan to upload to YouTube Shorts. Do not use Corpy's built-in music because it may cause copyright issues. Instead, add your music after exporting. Next, adjust your voiceover speed, and I recommend increasing it slightly because viral Roblox Rant videos use fast, energetic pacing to hold attention. Choose your voice from the list, male or female, whichever style matches your script best. Then click Generate, and you'll see 2 modes, Quick Generate and Advanced Edit. And for this tutorial, we're choosing Advanced Edit because that's what the top viral channels use to add effects, pacing, and segment-level customization. Once it loads, you'll see your script automatically broken into segments. Click each one to adjust the speed or add sound effects to make the rant even more punchy and entertaining. Go through each segment one by one and tweak it to your liking, because these small details make a massive difference in how long viewers watch. Once everything is perfect, click Generate again, and Corpy will render your final video in under a minute. Then download it directly to your device. And that's it. Your viral-ready Roblox Rant video is complete in just a couple of clicks. And now, let's take a look at our final result.
I'm gonna say it. Restaurants that charge extra for everything can suck it. Like, bro, I'm trying to eat a decent meal without taking out a second mortgage. I go to order, and it's like, yeah, I'll take the burger, please. That's $10, but you want fries with that, right? No, I want the burger. Just the burger. Okay, well, that's $10, but we have a special sauce that's only $2 extra. Bruh, the burger already comes with sauce. What's the difference? And would you like to upgrade to our premium lettuce for $1? Premium lettuce? You mean the kind that's not brown and soggy? That should be standard, not an upgrade. And then they got the nerve to ask if I want to make it a combo. Like, for just $5 more, you can get a drink and a side. No, I just want the burger. I'm not trying to buy a timeshare, I swear. It's like they're trying to nickel and dime me to death.
And if this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments because I reply to everyone and I want to help you grow your faceless channel as fast as possible.